Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best camping stoves in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. Coleman Gas Camping Stove Classic Propane Stove, 2-burner, 4.1x21.9x13.7 inches. Cooking power, up to 20,000 total BTUs. Fits a 12-inch and 10-inch pan at the same time, 2 adjustable burners. For precise temperature control. Wind blocking panels. Shield burners from wind. Pressure regulator. Pressure control technology for consistent performance, even in extreme conditions. Runtime, up to 1 hour on high on 116.4 ounces. Propane cylinder, sold separately. 3-year limited warranty. Portable and easy to pack, perfect for camping, beach cookouts, backyard BBQs, or tailgate parties. For over a century, Coleman has been designing products that make spending time outdoors a pleasure. From iconic lanterns to coolers that keep food and drinks cold for days, comfortable airbids, long-lasting LED lights, powerful portable grills, and much more, Coleman has truly shaped our outdoor camping experience and continues to innovate for generations to come. Number 4. Gason GS 1000 7650 BTU Portable Butane Gas Stove Automatic Ignition with Carrying Case, CSA listed. High output. Most fuel-efficient butane portable stove on the market. Boils water quickly with 7,650 BTU evenly, compared to competitors' portable stoves slashed to be used with 8 ounces butane canister only, fuel sold separately. Safety features. Highest safety standard, CSA, US and Canadian Standards Association. Approved portable, easy to use, reliable for camping, outdoor cooking, home emergency kit, etc. Equipped with fuel cartridge injection safety feature. If the stove defects 0.7 kilogram force from canister, it will automatically eject butane canister from the stove. Automatic starter. Piezo-type electric starter with safety shut-off system. No matches or lighters required. Number 3. GSI Outdoors Selkirk 540 Plus Camping Stove, 14,000 BTU high output, 2-burner propane. Powerful, twin 14,000 BTU burners rapidly heat larger pots and pans. Piezo ignition lights stove with the push of a button without burning fingertips. Individual, micro-control valves provide precise tunability and output for each burner for everything from slow simmering to full strength, fast boiling. Sturdy, steel construction and powder-coated exterior, designed for lasting outdoor durability. Removable pot support and stainless steel burner make for easy cleanup. Wraparound windscreens prevent gusts and inclement weather from slowing your cooking to a crawl. Screens fold out of the way for fair weather cooking or to use with larger pots. Number 2. Camp Chef EX60LW Explorer 2-burner outdoor camping modular cooking stove. Being one of Camp Chef's 14 cooking systems, the Explorer is very versatile and can be equipped with many different Camp Chef accessories, from the professional grill box to the Italia artisan pizza oven. This is also a perfect stove for emergency preparedness because of its portability and can provide for 15 hours of cooking time on 120 pounds propane tank, not included. Power outages and disasters can strike, but with the Explorer 2-burner stove you will be secure in knowing you can cook things up if you need to. This stove is a true outdoor appliance with strong performance capabilities. It has a 3-sided windscreen to shield some of the breezes coming your way, and just 120-pound tank will keep your stove going for 15 hours. Cook up a meal for you and some friends or family, and enjoy the outdoors with a Camp Chef Explorer 2-burner stove. Number 1. Jetboil Genesis Basecamp Backpacking and Camping Stove Cooking System with Camping Cookware. Jetboil's Genesis Basecamp portable propane stove features a dual-burner design that functions as a standalone camping stove or couples with other JetLink-compatible stoves or a Luna satellite burner to create an outdoor cooking range. The system's 5-liter Jetboil Fluxrain camping pot with strainer lid and 10-inch ceramic-coated nonstick fry pan give you everything you need to set a new benchmark for base camp cooking, and all stows neatly in the included travel bag. Ideal for all of your cooking needs in the outdoors, the Beasley 10,000 BTU heating system also boils water in just over 3 minutes. Perfect for melting snow or making coffee.